so today I'm going to show you how to password protect your external hard drives. So we all know that we put a password on our computers to protect any files that we have on there, but especially since I specialize in boudoir photography, this is essential that us boudoir photographers are protecting our clients' pictures and files wherever they are. And with the ever-evolving technology and file size of our images, it is pretty much necessary to have external hard drives for backup and also just to store all those large raw files. So I have to say, I did not password protect my external hard drives for many years. Thankfully, nothing happened, but I think it's something that most photographers actually don't know how to do and don't even know that it's a possibility. So I just got a new mobile G drive. So I wanted to just walk you guys through how to password protect your external hard drives so that you can add that level of security and privacy for your clients and make sure that you don't ever get into hot water. So I'm super excited because I got a new G drive and they have a gold version. So I'm pretty stoked about that. If you guys know me, gold is one of my favorite colors. But anyways, I use G drives. Hands down my absolute favorite. They're a little bit more expensive, but I actually had a hard drive go out, an external hard drive, and lost a whole bunch of shoots, and shoots that I hadn't even done the reveals to yet, so I had to reshoot them. Lost thousands of dollars worth of stuff. So I am very picky about which hard drives that I purchase, and so G drive is hands down one of my absolute favorites. I will link below where you guys can get those on Amazon. They are 100% like worth the investment in my opinion. So I am also going to screen share as I do this so that you guys can see it and it will walk you through step by step. So just pulled the G drive out of the box, haven't even plugged it in yet, so I'm going to do that. Waiting for it to, my computer to recognize it. It's thinking. Alright, here it is popped up on my desktop. So just side note before we even go any further, you guys are going to want to know if you're trying to do this with an external hard drive you already have, going through this process actually erases all of the content on the hard drive. So it's best to do it if it's brand new and you haven't put anything on it, but if you do want to do this for other hard drives, make sure that you back it up before you do this because it's going to delete everything. I'll say it once again. If you have a hard drive that you want to have the password on, you want to put a password on it, and you're going to do this and it already has content on it, make sure you back it up at least twice before you do this because it will erase all of the contents. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is launch the disk utility from applications. So we're going to go to applications and we're going to find the disk utilities. And I went to Finder, Applications, Utilities folder, and then here's the disk utility. We're going to click on that. So we're going to select the G drive or your mobile hard drive. Make sure that if you have more than one plugged in that you're selecting the right one. I would highly suggest ejecting anything else. So select it and then we're going to hit erase, which is up here. Then I'm actually going to name it 2019 G drive mobile. You guys can name it whatever you want or leave it the same, it doesn't matter. Under format, you actually want to select Mac OS Extended Journaled Encrypted. And then it's going to ask you for a password. So type in the password that you want. Next, click Choose, hit Erase. Once that's done, just click Done, and that's all there is to it. So you can still access your hard drive right now and transfer files over if you want to without having to put in the password, but then you're going to want to eject it. Hit Eject All, and then once you plug it back in, it'll pop back up and ask you for the password. Just enter it in, hit Unlock, and now you have a password protected hard drive. Now obviously I did this on a Mac. I have no idea if this is the same if you use a PC, but most creatives have an Apple computer, so hopefully this was helpful. If you guys have any questions, definitely put them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next video.